Hi everybody. As you know, we acquired a company new. We need to prepare a go-to-market plan. As we will start, I want first of all to make sure who will do what. So, John, you will be the leader of the team responsible for the go-to-market plan, and we choose the team. One of the things that's most important for me to schedule a timeline for it and to be on time with everything we are doing. Regarding the go-to-market plan. Directions is a general, work as our plan, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 steps. I want you to know all the current status, the sales history, market profile, competitive analysis, technology, pricing, features, customer success, upsell, cross-sell, usage. Very important to understand the pain. What pain do we solve? To know the financial metrics, everything we know, I want you to put in. I want you to make it. Now let's go to the opportunity issues and issues, different issues, make full SWOT analysis and issue analysis. Regarding goals and SMART objectives, SMART, as you know, is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bounded. Time-bounded, I repeat, time-bounded. Goals and objectives. What is very important for me to have the objective based on our integrated solution with all the crossover different software, based on the current customer that we have and new customer that we gain from company new. I want this year to increase the revenue of company new at least by 300%. Focused in the short term. Focus on close the deals, on renewal deals. It's a very important part of the goals and plan for the short term. It's very important not to lose any deals. And achieve distribution strategic based on 50, 30, 20. Okay? On the different things. Regarding sales and marketing, what I want, what is important for me is that we will make it based on integrated functionality with crossover from all the aspect, tech, marketing, service, etc. Marketing, we have some problem with new company, customer trustee. Let's take it back. We can do it. We are the best in the world on this. Okay. Regarding other things that are important in the operational execution, I want timeline with owner, budget, resources, priority on every things we are doing here. It's very important that we will have all this on stage, okay? Including everything that you find in, if you need funding, time, political situation, everything, okay? These are part of the challenges. Financial, I want it to be everything there. Revenue, booking, profitability, when, cost of goods, gross margins, everything. Based on our so this is my objectives. You have everything inside. The main challenge, remember, close the near term renewal deals. Don't forget it. Focus on trust in the company, in the new company. Find the pain and let's make it win. Okay? We all win. We acquire company. Let's take it. Thank you. And any questions after that? Okay, for additional information, you can call me at siggenosai@outlook.com or +972 54 9936 290. Thank you.